So what happens if you refashion clothes and you still don't wear them? In this video, I plan to take 2 pairs of refashioned jeans, which I don't wear, and turn them into 1 pair, which I will wear, using this pair as my inspiration. So let's get started. Open the side seams of your main jeans by pulling on the threads, using a seam ripper, or whatever method you prefer. Cut the waistband, leaving at least 1 inch from the belt loop to give yourself enough fabric for the seam. If you're planning to lengthen the jeans, cut the hems off as well. From the second pair of jeans, cut 2 strips which will serve as the side panels. Mine are 3 inches on the top, 6 inches on the bottom, and 35.5 inches long, but your measurements may vary. Use a zigzag stitch along the sides of the panels to finish the raw edges and prevent them from fraying. Sew the side panels to the fronts of the jeans with the right sides of the fabric facing each other. I used a zipper foot so I can sew close to the pocket rivet. Iron your seams, then top stitch from the front to keep the seams flat. Sew the back seams of the pants to the side panels. Then try the jeans on and adjust the fit if you need to. From your second pair of jeans, open the seams in order to remove a section of the waistband. You may want to cut it longer than what you think you'll need, so you have a little extra to make adjustments. I originally cut 2 5-inch sections, but trimmed them to size once I placed them on the jeans. Attach the side seams of the waistband with a tight zigzag stitch to prevent them from fraying. Sew the bottom of the waistband to attach it to the pant, then sew the top seam. This is what the finished waistband looks like. If your leg openings turned out uneven like mine did, cut across the bottom to straighten them. From the second pair of pants, cut the material for the cuffs. The width on mine is 22 inches because the leg opening was 20 inches plus 2 inches for seam allowance. I recommend adding a little extra for seam allowance because it's easier to cut than to add more. Sew the sides of the cuffs and finish the edges with a zigzag stitch. Pin the cuffs to the pants, placing the sewn seam near the inside seam of the pant, but not on top because it will get too bulky. Sew the cuff to the pant, then finish the edges. Iron the seams, then top stitch from the right side to keep the seams flat. Try the pants on to determine how long you want the hem to be, and pin in place to mark the length. Iron the hem in place, fold the raw edge under, then pin and iron again. Sew the hem, and that's it. You're done. Unless you're me. Then you change your mind about the length, unpick, and then re-sew the hem. And then you're done. So here's the result. Will I wear them? Definitely. These pants are so comfortable, and I love the oversized fit. So let's do some refashioning math. 1 + 1 = 1. I hope this inspires you to try your own refashioning project. Thanks for watching, and happy upcycling.